One second.
Sensitive,
Honest.
emotional,
Real.
टेम्परामेंटल. सुकृति प्रकृति अभी आप इतना गा रहे हो, आपने 3 मिनट के लिए सुधर जा गा लिया, अब ये देख के तो सुधर जाएंगे हम.
But जब हमने compose किया था, you know, that whole part like, oh, सुधर जा, I just felt like it's got a very anthem vibe to it. Hi everyone, this is Sukriti.
Hi, this is Prakriti.
And you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
Do subscribe and hit the bell icon.
I am over the moon actually because firsts are very, very special, and this is our debut single, our debut, me and Prakriti together collaborating on a song with T-Series. And a big thank you to Mr. Bhushan Kumar and the entire team who's worked so hard with this song. We've lived with the song for over 2 years now, and finally to see it come out is a dream come true. So
I think more than anything, we're just feeling so much gratitude because something that we made, so many people have already heard, and that is a feeling that we can always live with. That we made that one song and people have heard it, and that's it. And I think 2.5 million abhi shurwaat hai. Hopefully it's gonna go way higher and more people are gonna hear it.
And relate to it, I think, yeah, because we want to make music that's relatable, something that, people our age hear and say that, shit, I can really, connect to this. So, yeah, that'll be amazing.
When we made the song, we were like, सबसे बड़ी victory तब होगी if boys like the song. So we already did an acid test with a lot of our friends, and we were just like, hear it, let us know what you think about it. They were like, तुम release मत करो यार, breakup हो जाएगा. Release मत करो यार, लड़ाई हो जाएगी. So we were just like, okay, but as long as you can relate to it and you like the lyrics and you can feel something like this has happened to you also, then we're good, then we're home.
But जब हमने compose किया था, that whole part like, oh, सुधर जा, I just felt like it's got a very anthem vibe to it, and I was not understanding why nobody has really made, sort of an anthem from a girl's side before. Like, we've always spoken about falling in love and all. So I just felt like somebody wanted to talk about
also who've spoken about how a girl is looking, how he wants to go and make a move, and how he feels about just her vibe, and how he wants to go play with her hair, and how he doesn't like her, and क्योंकि लड़की के बहुत नखरे हैं, तो लड़की ने कभी लड़के को बोला नहीं कि तेरे भी नखरे हो सकते हैं,
और तुम भी ड्रामा करते हो, and you lie to me or you don't lie to me, or I want you to love me in a certain way, and there are a lot of things that need to be communicated, and I think there's no other way to do it better than music. So I just felt like, also moving on, this is one of the songs. There are a lot of songs that we have written about a lot of things, but I don't know if we can talk about them yet, but hopefully you'll hear a lot of music.
But this song, I think, is about all the relationship drama. I think सबकी relationship में थोड़ा बहुत drama होता है, and if people can relate to this and highlight some lyrical part of the song into their actual life, तब तो मतलब.
But लड़कों ने actually बहुत जो response आया कल comments पे, people have written us DMs and Facebook हर जगह, उन्होंने बोला अच्छा अब तो थोड़ा सुधरेंगे हम, like we're gonna try our best to सुधरो a little bit. So I was like चलो, that's good for starters,
Yeah, they were just like यार तुम इतने aggressively बोल रहे हो, अब तो सुधर जाना पड़ेगा. And बहुत सारे ऐसे भी comments थे कि यार सुकृति प्रकृति अभी आप इतना गा रहे हो, आपने 3 मिनट के लिए सुधर जा गा लिया, अब ये देख के तो सुधर जाएंगे हम.
One second. We should write a song.
I know, a girl saying that. It's very natural, kabhi it's not always two-way traffic, na. Sometimes it's one-way traffic also.
Yeah.
तो हो जाता है.
We've all been there in our own spaces, and yeah, why not?
Sensitive,
honest,
emotional,
real,
temperamental.
Temperamental
मतलब his temperament should match my temperament,
I thought temperamental, you wouldn't be able to handle that.
A lot of times the temperaments don't match, इसलिए लड़ाइयाँ होती हैं. So temperamental. it's almost reaching 100 millions now. So I mean, like I said, it's absolutely a dream team for us, क्योंकि हमेशा जब हमने कभी भी सोचा था कि हम खुद का नॉन फिल्म कुछ भी करेंगे, so we wanted to be with T Series and we've been signed with T Series for the last 2 years. But ये हमारा पहला उनके साथ नॉन फिल्म प्रोजेक्ट है, and to be on their channel is, I mean, it's just such a victory in its own way for us, and we're so
Absolutely.
thankful to भूषण जी, क्योंकि उन्होंने ये गाने में बिलीव किया है,
एंड एक्चुअली गाना बहुत डिफरेंट है बाकी गानों से, यू नो. भूषण जी अलग अलग, यू नो, देर when you talk about their Bollywood projects, they're very romantic and different, and I felt like this song is very contemporary, young,
very electronic, and it's you know, this is the new age sound and everything, and for sir to understand that and appreciate that and put it on his channel and promote us, ये हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. In fact, हम कल जब comments भी पढ़ रहे थे YouTube पे, a lot of people have written that we haven't heard a song like this in T Series in very long, and it's so good to see you promoting such kind of songs also, you know, with almost international production and such real lyrics and all that. तो ये T Series पे आना, of course, it's just so exciting because already इससे बड़ा subscription base I think किसी का भी नहीं है.
Absolutely.
So we're already catering to so many people, and without them pushing also कितने लोग already सुन लेते हैं. T Series पे आने का मतलब है कि everybody will hear the song, I think. So we're very excited.
To some extent told what you have to do, you know, like when you enter into a studio, you don't know whether it's a dance song or a sad song or a love song, but you have to get yourself into that zone. There's a brief and there's a situation.
मतलब आप एक्टर के लिए गा रहे होते हो, बट आपको माइक के पीछे भी थोड़ा एक्ट करना पड़ता है. वो आई थिंक एवरी सॉन्ग में होता है, बट फॉर फिल्म्स स्पेशली यू आर ऑलवेज प्लेइंग अ कैरेक्टर. Like Sudharja mein we're playing ourselves.
Absolutely. So I think that's very liberating because we're just ourselves, you know, we're talking and we're singing exactly what we want to, but obviously in a film we have to act and sing according to a situation that's already been planned. So
and according to a voice of a character. I think किसी भी singer की सबसे बड़ी highlight life में होती है if somebody can you know, hear your voice and see your face. Like when you hear someone's, any singer's voice, you can imagine them sing. I think that for any singer is like a big win. And वो सिर्फ तब आएगा जब आप खुद के गाने करोगे, when people can see you. So I think because we're featuring in the video, you know, like of course times are changing. Non-film has come back, and how.
And T Series is so responsible for curating independent
and
artists.
Supporting independent.
For the longest time, I think, when you talk about Guru, when you talk about all of these people, they have come and, you know, T Series has been a big role player in their careers. So no, अभी पहली बार सुना हमने actually.
But we agree to this, हाँ, क्योंकि यही thought लेके हमने गाना बनाया था. I think we wanted it to be a song from a girl's perspective, जो बहुत लड़कियाँ, सिर्फ लड़कियाँ नहीं, इनफैक्ट लड़के भी बॉन्ड कर सके. आई थिंक व्हेन वी वर मेकिंग द सॉन्ग वी वर जस्ट लाइक, अगर एक साथ हम कुछ करेंगे, दो लड़कियों को एक साथ प्यार तो नहीं हो सकता है, बट
या हो सकता है,
बट एक दो लड़कियाँ कब, like when I sit with my best friends, when do they bond the most? When they talk about boys, right? Or when they talk about anything that's relatable. So this song obviously highlights sisterhood, friendship,
and to some extent they were also personal experiences or experiences that we've heard of. So when we were even sitting with our lyricist, we said, okay, these are the things, we made pointers that we want to talk about, but इसमें हम lyrics को कैसे convert करें? So he very seamlessly did it, and we just, in I think it was 2 sessions, and 1 घंटे में he wrote the entire song, and we were like, wow, I think we're done. This is what we want to talk about. And Kunal Verma has written the lyrics, and he's done a fabulous job. Hi everyone, this is Sukriti.
Hi, this is Prakriti.
And you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
Do subscribe and hit the bell icon.